charges leveled against former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. But let's give you a bit of a background into exactly what played out yesterday. Nawab Malik alleged and put out pictures of Fadnavis and his wife Amrita with an alleged drug peddler and said that they were linked. In response, Fadnavis said that he will expose Nawab Malik after Diwali, saying that Nawab Malik, the Maharashtra minister, is linked to the underworld.
The Maha drug dangal, a full-blown political war. The NCP's Nawab Malik and BJP's Devendra Fadnavis locking horns in public. Allegation versus counter-allegation flying thick, fast and furious. The bitter war began with this tweet by Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik, showing one alleged drug peddler, Jaideep Rana, with ex-Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis' wife, Amrita. Malik then tweeted another image of Rana with Fadnavis himself, claiming drug peddler links of the BJP's first family in Maharashtra. Devendra Fadnavis was quick to hit back, calling the images 4 years old and a laughable bid to malign his family.
हम बताना चाहते हैं देश को कि जयदीप राणा जेल में बंद है, ड्रग ट्रैफिकिंग के केस में गिरफ्तारी हुई है, लेकिन उनके रिश्ते महाराष्ट्र के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री श्री देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी से भी हैं। ये कह देना कि सार्वजनिक जीवन में कौन किसके साथ तस्वीरें खींच लेता है हमें पता नहीं। तस्वीर तो ऐसी है कि एक दूसरे को तुम शैतान हो, इस तरह की तस्वीर है।
तो पूरी टीम ने हमारे साथ उस समय फोटो खिंचवाए और उस व्यक्ति को 4 साल बाद आज एनसीबी ने अरेस्ट किया। ये 4 साल पहले का फोटो है और इसके आधार पर वे संबंध जोड़ना चाहते। सबसे महत्व की बात यह है कि ये संपूर्ण रिवर मार्च के जो लोग हैं, इसमें जो प्रमुख है मिस्टर चौगुले, इन्होंने भी कल स्पष्ट किया है कि हमारी टीम के साथ ये आए हुए थे, इनका कोई संबंध नहीं है।
Minister Malik then shared a YouTube video song link featuring Devendra Fadnavis and his wife Amrita Fadnavis. Details in the link showed that Jaideep Rana was the financial head behind the song. Malik claimed that Jaideep Rana, who is an alleged drug peddler, had links with Devendra Fadnavis. The ex-Maharashtra Chief Minister countered it with a counter-drug kingpin jibe.
मुख्यमंत्री रहते समय उनकी पत्नी ने एक रिवर सॉन्ग चल चल मूवी मुंबई नदी संरक्षण अभियान के नाम से एक रिवर सॉन्ग बनाया था और उसके फाइनेंस हेड जयदीप राणा जी थे। कि मुझे मालूम नहीं था ये कौन आदमी फाइनेंशियल हेड बन गया, लेकिन देवेंद्र जी के जयदीप राणा के रिश्ते बहुत घनिष्ठ थे।
नवाब मलिक जी ने ये नहीं देखा कि उसके फोटो तो मेरे साथ भी है, लेकिन मेरे साथ के फोटो उन्होंने ट्वीट नहीं किए क्योंकि उनको पता था कि इसकी वैल्यू कम हो जाती है, क्योंकि मेरे साथ तो किसी का भी फोटो खींचा जा सकता है। इसलिए मेरे पत्नी के साथ का फोटो जानबूझकर उन्होंने ट्वीट किया है। मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं कि किसी तीसरे आदमी के साथ फोटो आने से अगर बीजेपी का ड्रग कनेक्शन बनता है तो राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस के मंत्री नवाब मलिक, इनके साथ रहने वाले उनके जवाई, इनके घर में गांजा अगर या इनके पास गांजा अगर मिलता है तो इस रेशियो से पूरी राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी यही ड्रग्स की किनपिन होनी चाहिए।
Fadnavis also vowed to expose Nawab Malik's underworld links with a dhamaka after Diwali.
अब उन्होंने एक फुलझड़ी जलाई है तो बम तो फूटेगा और दिवाली के बाद फूटेगा, और दिवाली के बाद नवाब मलिक इनके अंडरवर्ल्ड के साथ क्या संबंध है, इसके सबूत मैं आपको भी दूंगा और राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी के जो अध्यक्ष है श्री शरद पवार जी, इनको भी मैं वो सबूत दूंगा।
Replying to Fadnavis' warning, Nawab Malik put out a tweet saying he is ready. What started as the Aryan Khan drug bust case to an attack on Sameer Wankhede, it has all degenerated now into an all-out political fight between the Aghadi Sarkar and the BJP in Maharashtra. Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's take this across now to Vidya, who's joining us live from Mumbai with the latest on this political fight. Vidya, now it's a direct fight and face-off between Nawab Malik and former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Nawab Malik, who's speaking right now, has made it very clear that he stands by the allegations that he's levelled against Fadnavis.
Well, it certainly is. He spoke very clearly yesterday and made an allegation that Mr. Fadnavis was the one who was actually harboring a lot of drug peddlers in Maharashtra and Goa, and that it was under his aegis that this entire business of illegal business of drug was actually it was actually going on in a very big way. And in fact, it is these allegations to which, Fadnavis wanted to reply, but he has very categorically said that he'll reply about all this post-Diwali. So certainly, as of this moment, Mr. Fadnavis has denied all the allegations that have been levelled by Nawab Malik, stating very clearly that the names of those two people, the one arrested in Delhi, who is supposed to be a drug peddler, he did know of him, but the fact is that that person's involvement in the making of a film, a song, a river song, was only to the extent where the person was involved by the River March, the organization that had brought in the person. He did not personally know that person per se, and neither did his wife Amrita Fadnavis knew. Apart from that, the other person mentioned by Mr. Nawab Malik, Fadnavis had very clearly stated that the other person who lives in Navi Mumbai, he is someone who is very close not just to me but also to Mr. Uddhav Thackeray as well. So why doesn't Mr. Nawab Malik mention that before actually pointing a finger to Fadnavis? So certainly these are many questions that have remained unanswered by Mr. Malik as well. And as he says, there will be more proof that he is giving. So everyone's really waiting to see as to what more proof he has to speak against Mr. Fadnavis.
Right. He's saying he has more proof. Right now, he hasn't put that out. We'll track the story very closely. For the moment, Vidya, thank you for joining us.